Hello Internet and welcome to this quick video of completing the square when a isn't 1. Perfect for GCSE Maths. Now, before you continue, please make sure you do know how to complete the square when a is 1. I have a video covering this already on my channel. Let's start by taking a look at the question here, asking us to write 4x squared plus 12x minus 5 in the form a x plus b squared minus c. We can start by saying that quadratics are written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, as with this example here. And then we can also say that when a isn't 1, completing the square is done a little differently than when it is. So, first of all, we need to factor out our a. In this case, we have the 4. And then we're going to write this out with square brackets. So, as you can see, we have 4, and then we start our square brackets, x squared plus 3x minus 5 over 4. All I have done is divided everything in the quadratic by 4. 4x squared divided by 4 is x squared, 12x divided by 4 is 3x, and then I've left 5 over 4 as a fraction as it's just easier to work with. Now we're going to complete the square as usual, completely ignoring the a. As I say, if you need a more in-depth tutorial over this, I have another video on my channel. But basically what we've done here is we've factored the x down by 1 to put it in these brackets, and then we've divided the 3 by 2, and I've left that as a fraction once more. We're then going to square this and take it from our bracket to get minus 9 over 4, and then take c, or this 5 over 4, from the entire thing. And then simplifying this, we get 4x plus 3 over 2 squared minus 7 over 2. All we need to do now is times that a back through. So here we have 4x plus 3 over 2 squared minus 14. Remember to times the c value by 4 as well, as this is something people often forget. In this case, we don't have to times the 4 through the bracket, as we've been asked to leave it in the form a x plus b squared minus c. Let's take a look at another example. If you would like, you can pause the video now and try this for yourself, otherwise carry along with me. So first of all, we're going to factor out the a again. In this case, we have 8, and we're going to write this out with square brackets, dividing everything in the quadratic by 8. So we have 8x squared divided by 8, giving us x squared, plus 27 over 8x, again left as a fraction, plus 8 over 8, which is obviously 1. Now, we're going to complete the square as we usually would and ignore the a for now, which will give us x plus 27 over 4 squared minus 729 over 16 plus 1. Again, all we've done is we've divided the 27 over 8 by 2, brought down an x factor and put these in the brackets, squared those brackets, and then we have squared the 27 over 4 and taken from the brackets entirely. And finally, we just add the 1 back on. Simplifying this, we get 8 in our square brackets plus x plus 27 over 4 squared minus 713 over 16. And finally, we just times our a back through. So again, we have 8x plus 27 over 4 squared minus 713 over 2.